Hey everybody, welcome back to another FabFitFun unboxing. I can't fit this box in the frame, so this is Brooke. For those of you who do not know her, because I have some new people at my channel, this is my daughter. She's 13 now. She was 12 the last time she was in a video. It's been a while. Some of you have been asking where she's been. Our March was crazy. Yeah. Yours was really busy. Mine was busy, but not as busy as yours. Yeah. And so getting our schedules together has been a little difficult.
Even just getting my own schedule together. So it's hard to make time, but.
Yes. So we're a little late doing this unboxing. Now, I do not get my box as early as some people, so I didn't have it when a lot of people were uploading their unboxings. I was like, where's my box? So it finally came. FabFitFun is $49.99 for a quarterly box. So it's really, I think, a good deal with everything you get in here, don't you? Yeah. For a box that you get every 3 months as opposed to every month, and you get a ton of stuff. Beauty, health, fitness, lifestyle,
hair.
Yeah, all kinds of stuff. So let's get to opening, and I think that's it. Is that it? Mm-hmm. I always try and crack the tape open because sometimes that's a struggle. So I did that, but we haven't been in the box. And this is a very fun, vibrant box.
Okay, so here's the little magazine thing, but oh, a HelloFresh.
Oh, hi. I've done a couple of HelloFresh videos.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, a 50% off.
$50.
I mean, $50 off.
And you do always get some kind of a coupon or code in each box, which is pretty cool. So this one happens to be HelloFresh. And I'm going to set this down.
Okay, this says Ish Lip Statement Palette. So let's open. Okay. Nice and heavily wrapped.
Yeah, that is nice. I don't often see palettes with extra packing on the inside.
Oh, wow.
That might save us all a lot of trouble if they had extra packing on the inside.
And there's plastic, too. Ooh, I love peeling plastic off. Okay, so it looks the same without the box, but let's open it.
Oh, gosh. Okay.
So, these are...
Oh, it's a lip palette.
Yeah,
let's do this.
It said lip palette.
Let's do that. Okay.
Wow, those look nice.
So this is a lip palette, which I'm not really a lip palette person, are you?
I've never owned a lip palette, but...
You kind of need a lip brush. I mean, I have a lip brush if you want to try this. Oh, there's a lip brush in here.
Wow.
I need my lip brush.
How convenient.
So there's a lot of colors in here if you want to go to town.
I like this color.
That's a really pretty neutral color. So she pointed to this one. So this is really nice if you like lip palettes. And you know, for somebody that travels, I guess lip palettes are pretty okay if you want to bring one to travel with and then just keep a lipstick bullet in your purse. Okay, she's going to town. So I'm going to go ahead and open while you apply.
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
And it's skincare.
Ooh, it feels very smooth.
So you don't really care about skincare. So this is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. Okay, we got what? It's a little brighter than it looked in the thing, huh? So this is a lightweight oil-free moisturizer that provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract, which is a natural humectant, Queen of Meadow refined skin texture, while Arnica, is that how you say that, Arnica? Smooth skin for a smoother, healthier looking complexion. What is on your lips? Look how bright it looks in the monitor. Hey, it kind of goes with your shirt though.
Yeah, it does. So it looks a little different from the palette onto the lips. But...
Yeah, well, it looks nice though.
Should I leave it?
Yeah, you could put one of the light shades over it.
Yeah.
See what it looks like. So this says you massage evenly over face, neck, and chest and follow with a Murad sunscreen during the day. This is an oil-free moisturizer. So I used to use the Boscia green tea oil-free moisturizer. It's kind of a mattifying one. I actually didn't used to use it. I still have it. I just have been using other things. And that's what this looks like. I don't smell anything. That is what it looks like on the skin, and it seems very, very light and very smooth. If you've tried this product, this Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion, leave me a comment down below and let me know how you liked it.
I don't think that helps, but okay.
Well, it's a pretty color.
It looks a lot more neutral off camera, just so you know.
Yeah, it looks a little bright on the monitor.
Yeah.
I don't notice a scent to this, but I did just put some scented hand lotion on, so you might need to see.
I mean, it smells, but not like
You sure that's not my hand lotion?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I cannot wait to try this because anything that says shine-free skin perfecting lotion, I'm all about.
Okay, this looks like
Let's get the trash
maybe
out
a
of the way.
necklace or a bracelet. So that looks cute. Let's see. Oh, it's earrings.
Ooh, they kind of look like bauble bar earrings.
Bauble bar.
Yeah, you know those
Oh, yeah,
tassel
yeah.
earrings that I have?
Oh, wow. These are big.
Fancy.
So these are earrings.
I'm gonna put those on.
They're cute.
These are by Ettika, Los Angeles, California. I have tissues. Do you need a tissue?
Where are they? That looks a little better.
All right, we got some bobbly earrings. Ooh.
And Luke has come to join us. Oh, you can't really
You see his little paw. Oh, he just raised and lowered his paw. So these are the earrings. They are very festive.
Yeah.
They're kind of cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so what's next? What's this?
Guava Body Butter by KORRES.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what it looks like. Let me.
Not liking the guava.
I don't know. It doesn't really smell that much. It kind of smells like aloe or something. I don't know. Let's see.
I don't know if I can take myself seriously with these earrings on. I have some tassels, but these are like tassels to the extreme. I shouldn't have put on that scented lotion before I started this.
You shouldn't have.
I can't smell anything else.
It doesn't really smell.
It doesn't.
But like it's not an unpleasant nut smell.
I smell a pleasantness. It's very soft. So this is a body butter, and KORRES is a really good company. So they make good products. So
it's good if you're like sensitive to scents.
it has shea butter and avocado oil in it. So sounds good to me. We just realized that we usually give the price value of things, and we have not been doing that. So the earrings are valued at $58. And the KORRES Guava Body Butter at $24, and that ISH or ish lip palette is valued at $42. And that's and the Murad is $40. I can't wait to use that. Okay, we can move on.
All right, I guess let's do this since that would. Okay, this is a Dove exfoliating body polish, and it's crushed macadamia and rice milk.
So that's the little sample of the month or the quarter, I guess. They usually give a little sample drugstore type thing every month. This just says polish your way to smooth, soft skin with something different. Dove exfoliating body polish has quarter moisturizing cream, and it removes dull, dry skin to leave your soft feeling silky and smooth.
It's like weirdly packaged. It's a container, but then you peel that off.
Yeah, because it's a sample.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Let's do this. This is a Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler.
Keep your nails healthy, smooth, and glossy with this filler. It multitasks by concealing nail imperfections with a natural pink hue while treating them with protein, vitamins, and moisture. $18 is the value of this.
Yeah, it's kind of pink, like mauve-y.
You can apply it as a base or a top coat or wear it alone as a nice sheen.
Okay.
I guess there's more down
This
there.
is big. It says Rachel Pally. Rachel Pally. Once again, wrapped in this nice mesh. Like the lip palette. Whoa, so this is like foldy?
It's a reversible clutch.
Oh, so this
or
is...
a foldy. We can make it on a foldy.
This is the main print. Oh, and there's a nice tassel zipper.
Yeah. You can take that off if you want.
Ooh.
Rachel Pally made 3 different options.
Can you fold it this way?
I think you can. Yeah, it says it's reversible, 2 clutches in one. So you
can-
could have it that way or the other way. Yeah.
Yeah. And
You could have
it
it either way.
could store a lot. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's kind of cute. That could be really cute, like kind of a pop with
Yeah.
a spring or summer outfit with just the...
Well, it also kind of reminds me of fall because like the maroon.
Yeah, I like it. This is what I kept seeing in everybody's thumbnails, and I didn't know what it was.
I think it's a muscle roller.
I know it's a, yeah. Ooh, you could use this.
Yes,
I could have used this month.
I've been wanting a muscle roller, but I also want one of those like foam block ones. But
Oh, look, it's Physique 57. So I have some of their DVDs, their bar workouts. Physique 57 massage roller. It does wonders for sore, achy muscles. It improves flexibility, breaks up scar tissue, and helps keep tender muscles at bay. 5 to 10 minutes with this tool will have your body feeling all the feels.
well, it doesn't hurt when you do it.
Look, they had all these fun colors. And
I know we got gray, of course.
I'm going to be grateful, but still.
Grateful.
And this is worth $20.
But it does leave little spots on your legs from the spikes.
It's because it's doing its job.
Okay, this is a, oh wait, this is a Manhattan Beach candle, number 1.
Why'd you say, oh wait?
Because I feel like you've gotten this before. Maybe.
I don't think so.
You don't have any candles? Ooh,
it's copper.
pretty.
Anderson Lilley Sunset Collection candle in Manhattan Beach, fresh linen or super bloom. So there's 3 different
I
scents.
like that.
So, oh, I just got my lips on it. That smells nice. It is made with hand-poured coconut wax blend and a cotton lead-free wick, and delivers a clean, even burning fragrance. It has a lovely copper-colored vessel and will add style to any room.
All right, I like that. Ooh, whoa. This is a Free People and Understated Leather eye mask. And it's like super padded. And it has stars on it.
This is a vegan leather eye mask, which has a non-toxic cooling insert to help keep you feeling and looking refreshed. It has an adjustable elastic strap.
How do I loosen it? Yeah, they have it very tight.
Is that better?
Am I in the camera?
Yes. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the model.
I can't see right now.
You're looking perfect. And it has an adjustable elastic strap, which we use to form it to Brooke's head, and a charming metallic patchwork, which keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. You can store the cooling pouch in the fridge to depuff weary eyes. That's really cute.
I know,
And
I like
the
this
aqua.
color. This is like my favorite color, yeah.
Me too.
Yeah.
We have the same favorite color now?
Mm-hmm. I like this color. But I like it more like blue than green.
Me too.
But, yeah.
Aqua.
And it felt very
Aqua
good.
forever.
Yes, it felt very good on my, oh, I can feel the little, look, stick your finger in it. You can feel the little pad.
Oh, yeah.
And it felt good even when it wasn't like chilled.
That was a lot of stuff.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot that Free People understated leather mask was $40.
Oh.
We just totaled up all the items from this box to get the actual value, and it's
$3.47.
that is a great value from a $50 box.
Yeah.
You can also subscribe yearly. If you're not getting FabFitFun, we highly recommend it. We always get stuff we like and use on a regular basis in this box. This is my favorite subscription box, even though it's once a quarter.
Me too.
All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and
subscribe to my channel too. I'm posting a new video soon. So
yeah, it's been a little while just because she's been so busy. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
bye.